There we are, fucking, whoa, Peak District. Don't know why I've got a jumper on today. Right, first challenge, which way do we go? Going along the river, so I guess we're going this way. Oh, I guess we go left then. Oops, I already cut this up. Footpath. Follow over the bridge first. No, we don't, we go right. So, Peak District, England, somewhere near Bakewell. We're doing the 12k trail today. I'm new to trail running, so forgive me for being out of breath already. This trail is on Lathkill River, which is somewhere in this mess. Follows round to Bradford River, loops back round to finish. 300 metres of climbing. Quite a nice day. Sun's coming out and I'm definitely regretting this jumper. I was expecting a bit more exposed route as it's quite windy out the trees today. I'm sure I'll survive though. Right. Not this bridge either, because this one's blocked. Fabulous. Keep going. Makes you wonder if that was also part of the bed down there for the river, and at some point I was come and cut it off for access. Here we go. I knew I had a waterfall on the map. I love a waterfall. Something so relaxing about them, you know? Oh, what? They fenced off that walkway. Christ. Oh, it's not about going in the river, eh? It's about looking at stuff. Yeah, it's those stingers, those people. I have got shorts on today. If I stand around too long, I will get bitten alive by those midgets. Let them run and come in. I can guarantee it wasn't like this originally. Shady stone. Difficult to really dig into, and massive lumps of rock in between. Nice trail though. A few technical bits down here. It's pretty nice. Have to be careful on your ankles though. Had two near misses with rolling or slipping. Just as the trail gets really good, I find myself absolutely gassed. Like running there, quite light-headed at the end. lots of bugs and flies. Have some water, well, some fluids, and take it easy for a minute, and then we'll crack on the fun bit. It's cool though. I think that's a cave down there. I did see one on the map, but I'm going to carry on. Whew. It's quite techy up here actually. We'll have a quick break. Oh, that's a lot of steps. I was running, I promise. My God. Wow. I saw the elevation change on the map. Did not believe it. Wow. Whew. So that energy I just saved on that section is all but gone. I'll be crawling in a minute. Crikey. This is the realities of trail running though. You can't beast every climb. Or in my case, any climb. Wow. Worth it for the views on the valley. Not the best views, but you've got to take your wins where you can, because that was horrible. Whoa, rough. I don't know if people die trying to get that. Crikey. Not me, I did it. Just. So quite like that today. I'm going to walk with the Mars bar for a bit, let that go down, chew through the rest. I think that sounds about right. Oh. I was worried the exposure would be too cold with a jumper on, but I'm actually glad of it now with no jumper on. Just tied it around my waist like a school kid. Hides my fat belly though, so that's alright. Mums with young calves. I might have to actually sprint this for the time being. They're alright. Right, let's start running again. Hey, young bull. Branch then. Bloody hell. Right. Where is it now? Question. I didn't memorise this bit. Now probably isn't the road. It's probably that footpath goes over there. Yeah, the road goes off that way. We'll go straight on. Meet a road, but we're going to, well, yeah, a road for a bit, and then the next bit of river. It's not too bad though, I'm enjoying myself. It's quite a nice day for it. It's not too hot, it's just the right temperature really. I'm just unfit. Probably could have done that and then it would tell me where I was. In Strava wise, I've done 3, I think that's miles, speed of 4 miles an hour. woods, straight through. Just follow, hopefully it's more obvious once we get in the woods. So I don't like about running through fields, you just go, where the fuck is somebody? So I was going to catch my next, keep my phone out, and it takes me about 10 minutes to get back into work. I guess once I've done it for once, I'll come back and do it again. I've got this video to document it. So running through fields is a bit boring, but actually it's quite nice underfoot compared to some of the stonier, rockier bits. So actually quite enjoying it. First started off with a strong pace, and then my actual walking speed was ghastly slow. I just got to keep moving, build up the endurance, steady, slowly. My feet feel okay, touch wood. Did have a nasty little bit broken skin on the bottom of my left foot, which I thought, going into this, considering it was painful to walk around the house on carpet, I was like, oh, maybe this will be a bit too much for this. Actually, it's been fine. Yeah. Very well mown patch of lawn there. I wonder if that's for a helicopter to land on. Or for RC planes maybe. They love a lawn, don't they? A well cut lawn. Yeah, this is nice. On the on the back end of boring, but just nice. Oh, some more parkour. I missed the last one. That bloke is still coming. He's actually running after me now. He's wearing like, what a slippy. He's wearing like full rain kit. He's training for something extreme, but fucking hell, it must be hot. These are properly well polished. These will be a bit careful coming down on that bottom one. Extremely well polished. So we're nearly coming up to the Bradford section now, which on the OS map route I found on the app, I saw a comment saying that this section, ignore the map says to go on the road and go to the river a bit further down. It's way nicer, so that's what we're going to try and find. So it's nice when people give back. So hang on a minute, I've got some extra insights of knowledge. It's quite nice. Next path, right, let's do it. Oh, a bit of headwind now, a bit more exposed. Putting in a solid effort though. Walking pace is like 6 kph, so should be moving all right. Yeah, it wants me to go that way. No, maybe not, that's just fine. Just go this way. Copy. mate. Oh, little lambs. Hello. Don't worry. Let's move another one. Hopefully. Shows the path good. No idea. Which way does the path go? If there's fictitious things with maps in it, there's fictitious lines, you should be able to see. Go that way. Cool. Yeah. It's down here somewhere. Nice. Through this wall. Yeah. Tell you what though, yeah, I'm doing great. I feel better than I did earlier. After that first, just fucking so lightheaded. After that first stint, fuck yeah, I was dead. Absolutely dead. Oh, I start running down this hill when I can see a sign, and someone thinks it's going to stop me because I've got a feeling I just absolutely bomb it down here. That looks like a path down there, doesn't it? Let's try over go here. Oh, guessing it's through there. Yep. The man in the black has caught up with me. Bombing it. Really came past me once. I'm pretty sure he's not going to kill me, but you never know. He might just change his mind. Roughly the right direction. Oh, fuck. This wall, I bet though it isn't. A nice thing to climb over. Go down. Lots of lambs. Some baby sheeps. Oh, so cute. Try not to spook them though. Well, they've had their lambs, so it's actually not too bad now. So you don't want to fuck with them though. Oh, okay. Go down here. Okay, now they're everywhere. Cannot escape these guys. It's alright, sheep. Not gonna hurt you. Try not to die down this hill. Oh, hello. Go on then. Go on. Best avoided in lambing season. Oh, it's cute though, isn't he? Hello. Look how cute you are. Hello. Oh, they're so cute, lambs. You love them. Cool, I think we're back on track there. I'm not going to get murdered by sheep. Just a man in a waterproof. Fantastic. Bit of a detour here. That's where the footpath is there. Goes down that way. But it goes straight on, I'm not seeing him, so I assume he's gone straight on. So that is the footpath there. 100%. And that's just a tree next to it. And a hole in the wall. Yeah, go that way. Cool. This is kind of cool though, isn't it? I don't know how to get out, but let's put my phone down a minute. Whoa. It's just fallen down, I think. Not through any interference. Yeah. Okay, I'll do. Nice little waterfall.